How to get a daily job feed on your email from Indeed job search app. Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to get a daily feed on jobs, on your dream jobs from Indeed job search. So the first thing you do is you go to the app and now go to the top corner on those three lines, and after that go to email settings, click on this option, and after that you have the option that said daily job feed email, and then you click enable and you will start receiving emails every single day from Indeed job search. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Please, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe.